How to fix TikTok video sound muted. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can fix this error. First thing, go ahead and open up your TikTok application. And once you do that, just go ahead and select the video that you want to share. So I've already done that. I'll just go to the profile here and I've shared this video. And I've got a sound here as well. So what you're going to have to do is simply tap on the sound and then adjust its volume. So here on the sound option, if you tap on the drop down, you'll get the volume option. You can adjust the sound for the added sound. But if this does not work, you're just going to have to go back, tap on the three dots at the top right, go to settings, scroll down until you find report a problem, and scroll all the way to the bottom until you find submit a report. And you're just going to briefly explain to them that your videos are muted even though you've added sound, and then submit your ticket. They'll get back to you within a few days and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.